Since 2021, the airport transit system at Chicago O'Hare has new trains. So, what happened to the old ones? Hi everyone, welcome to a brand new Trains Are Awesome video. I am Tom and I am standing at Jefferson Park Station on the CTA Blue Line. Now around this time last year, I uploaded a video riding the brand new airport transit system at Chicago O'Hare Airport. The Airport Transit System, or ATS, originally opened in 1993. It connects all the terminals with the rental car facilities and the metro station. In January 2019, it closed for what was supposed to be only a few months. Instead, it took over 2 years, and the system reopened in November 2021, with new trains. The current blue trains, built by Bombardier, are very nice, but prior to the closing, these red and silver VAL trains ran on the system. So this raises the question, what happened to them? I know where they are, and I'm going to show you in today's video. Hey, lucky us! Rosemont is the last stop before O'Hare on the Blue Line. Until 1990, it was called River Road because the CTA had a policy against naming stations that were outside of the Chicago city limits after the city they were actually located in. Rosemont is in the top 25 stations in terms of passenger numbers, mostly thanks to the adjacent bus station. Pace buses gather here from all over the northern, northwestern, and western suburbs, including many industrial areas around the airport. Our bus today is Route 332. On weekdays, the 332 runs all the way into the villages of Bensonville and Elmhurst. However, on Saturdays and Sundays, it runs on a limited schedule with only short-term runs between Rosemont and several cargo and postal facilities, all located on the south side of O'Hare. And that's where we need to be today. The ride won't be too long, only about 15 minutes. The bus first goes down River Road, then turns onto Mannheim before running down Lawrence Avenue. Most of this is in the village of Schiller Park, Illinois. We've crossed into Franklin Park, Illinois, turning onto Irving Park Road. I'm beginning to think that everything is called something park here. Irving Park Road skirts along the southern edge of O'Hare, and it's the southern alternative for cars to get around the airport. It's important for us to pay attention here because we'll be getting off at the Irving Park and Taft stop. Not that there is a stop, the bus just kind of drops you off in the mud on the side of the road. So I'm here in like a very industrial area. No sidewalks or anything, of course. The bus is going into the airport to serve like a post office and some other cargo warehouses, and then it'll be back here in about 20 minutes. Perfect amount of time to check out this lot over here. Alright, you can see them behind me. Those are the old O'Hare ATS trains. If you look at the bottom of the train, you can see the rubber tires that guided them on the track. Though it looks like there's a private company next to this lot, these abandoned trains are outside of that company's fenced area, so I think that they are just on airport property. When we look at Google Earth, we see that there's a total of 15 cars that are stored here. That is the entire fleet of the old system. Interestingly, the current fleet is more than twice as big. The Chicago Department of Aviation must have decided to store these old cars on an unused piece of their own property. I'm glad they did because I got to make this video, and you have to admit, these were kinda cute looking trains. But I do wonder why they were never sent off to be scrapped. And how long will they remain here? so many questions. It's so cool that you can still see them here. I videoed one of these in action back in, I think it was 2017, and now they're just here enjoying retirement, I guess. A little cold out here. If you want to come see these, I'm at the intersection of Irving Park and Taft. I am not trespassing. I am staying right by the public road, not on any private property. So if you do come and see those, make sure to respect this place as well. About 10 minutes after I finished filming, I was at severe risk of turning into a human popsicle. Thankfully, the bus came back. On the way back to Rosemont, we stopped at AMC O'Hare, which is on the airport property. This is the post office. It felt kind of weird to be on a public bus traveling through these areas that at least felt like they were off limits. Anyways, thank you for watching today. I've wanted to make this video for a while, so if you enjoyed it, please let me know by leaving a like and a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to Trains Are Awesome, check out our Instagram, and find us on Patreon. We'll see you next time.